Ito po ang aming munting kagubatan. Yan, may kagubatan kami. Ito yung aming ihawan. Sa lukuyang pa hong ginagawa yung second floor. Parang third floor na rin, parang attic. I have a very long alley. Kasya rito yung 6 na sasakyan. Meron kaming pool with jacuzzi. So, bigyan ko muna kayo ng tour sa ground floor. Let's go. This is the ground floor. I had billiard table. This is Casper's room. And a lavatory. Wine cellar. My mini bar. Here is the kusina. There is a maid's room. And this is the stair. Okay, open mo, Casper. Ito po ang aming... this is my dining. I have a 12-seater. So, binigyan ko lang muna kayo ng idea.